Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to use merge cell, split cells and split table in Word 2010. Just open Word document. You will see a main heading in one cell. I want to merge 3 cells into one cell. How can I merge these cells? Just select all the cell which you want to merge and go to the table tool. You will find layout tab, and in layout tab you will find merge cell. Just click merge cell and you can make it center. And I want to here is a one table and I want to split table here. Just click any cell where you want to split the table and go to the split table. Just click split table. Your table will be split into 2 tables. I can use split cell option as well. Here is a cell which is merge, and I want to split this this cell into 3 columns. Just click split cell, number of columns which you want. I just click 3. I want to split this cell into 3 columns. Just click OK. You can merge cell, split cells and split table in Word 2010. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.